Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. I'm a Stampin' Up! Independent demonstrator, and today we're going to make these center step cards. They look like this, front, and they actually stand up like this. So let's get started. I'm excited that you can actually make 2 cards per one sheet of 8.5 by 11 cardstock, because you only need 4.5 by 11, and you just need to score it at 6.5. Then you're going to take your cutter, and here's a 6.5 score. You're going to first score it. If you line it up at 1 inch right there, you're going to score it from 0 to 1, and then lift it up slightly, and then score it at 3.25 by 4.25. Then you're going to scoot that line that you just made over to the 1 inch again, because you're actually doing the same exact thing, but you're doing it at 2 inches. So again, 0 to 1, lift it up slightly, move it to 3.25 to 4.25. And then you're going to lift it up and turn it vertically, and you're going to cut. Once you line it up at the 1 inch again, this time you're going to cut, but you're going to start at the 1 inch all the way to the score line that you just made. So starting at the 1 inch all the way to 6.5, and repeat on this side. So again, you're going to line up at the 1 inch, start at the 1 inch all the way to the 6.5. Okay, and then the last thing you're going to do is you're actually going to score in between these 2 cuts at 5.5. So you already have this at 6.5. So if you just go in an inch away and start scoring in between the cuts, you're just going to score it like this, right there. All right. So there you have all your scores and cuts. And if you can't see them, they kind of look like this. Okay. And then the way to fold it is you're going to pinch the top here to make the mountain, and then this one is going to be a valley fold. So you're going to pinch and then do it this way, so it looks like this. Okay. And then up here, you're going to do the opposite. So it's the mountain and then the valley. So it looks like this. And then once you fold it down, it should fold flat. And you can use your bone folder and make those crisp folds. So it looks like this. Okay, I'm going to set it aside. Now we're going to bring in the DSP. What I did is I started with the 6x6 sheet. Okay, and if you can remember 4 3/8, you'll be golden. So basically, you're going to take the 6x6 and you're going to cut it at 4 3/8, and you'll get this. Okay, then you're going to cut it at 2 1/8 twice. So here's 1, and here's another 2 1/8. What you have left over, you're going to cut in half, and it measures 7/8. Okay, so that's those. Then with this piece, again, you're going to remember that 4 3/8, you're going to have an extra square, and then you're going to cut that in half. It's not exactly the same size as this one, so the half of that is actually 1 13/16. I know, that's weird, but it's just 1 tick after the 3/4, and you'll get those 2. And those will exactly match and be able to put on your card. So I'll bring the card back again, and I'm going to take the 2 thin pieces, put some adhesive, and you're going to put them just right here and center it along the side panels. Okay. Then for the big piece here, you're going to put it in the center panel. Oops. Push that down. Then I stamped a sentiment from the Peaceful Moments of Life is Better with a Friend Like You. And that goes right here. And that's how you're going to have the card. And you can write some more words on this side if you'd like. So that's the one card. We still have enough for the second one. So let me bring the second piece here. And so side panels again. Fit on the sides. And then the centerpiece will fit here. And then another sentiment. There you go. Oops, that one popped up. And that's it. So you have these lovely center step cards. You can put some more embellishments on the front. Isn't that fun? So I'll bring those back, and I'll bring these back, and you can see all of them. But again, I love how you can make them with a 6x6 piece of DSP and one piece of 8.5 by 11 to make 2 cards. So if you'd like, please subscribe to my YouTube channel or visit my blog at sharingitwithyou.blogspot.com. Thank you for letting me share this with you. Have a great day. Bye.